Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Grindr Geofenced safety feature. So let's get straight into the video. So let's understand the geofencing and safety zones first. Automatic protection in high-risk areas, and specially designated locations such as an Olympic village. Grindr automatically implements geofencing. This prevents users outside the boundaries from browsing or messaging people inside. There's also distance restrictions. So within these zones, the show distance feature is automatically turned off. Your exact distance from other users will not be displayed, making it harder for others to triangulate your precise location. You can also simply go ahead and do things manually. You can disable show distance in your profile settings. You can also prevent your profile from appearing in location-based searches. And in your phone settings, you can also set Grindr's access to only while using app rather than always for location. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll